In this video, I would like to introduce you to the philosophy of Lean Six Sigma. Before I go into the phases of a Lean Six Sigma project, I want to explain the philosophy and history behind the methodology. Share what a Lean Six Sigma organization might look like, and have us thinking about quality as being determined by the customer. In the upcoming videos, we will also discuss important topics such as defects and variation in our processes. But first up, let's go back to basics and talk about the philosophy behind the methodology. If you think about your organization, you might already be in various stages of applying Lean Six Sigma. Think of it as a deployment maturity model. You might be in the repair mode. You have a targeted approach, you fix one process and then move on to the next. At this point, you are problem solving. When you evolve to a structure of continuous improvement culture, everybody, more people, more departments, more units across your organization, is starting to adopt the Lean Six Sigma mindset. Ultimately, you want to move to long-term thinking, to have your Lean Six Sigma efforts focused on the strategic pillars within your organization. If your organization already benefits from Lean Six Sigma, then it might be at this stage already. Regardless of how far along this maturity model your organization finds itself, it's good to keep in mind where you want to move to with the methodology. For now, let's focus on getting familiar with the origin of Lean Six Sigma. In the past, there were already a large number of tools and quality initiatives being applied in order to solve organizational challenges. Methods like Lean, Plan, Do, Check, Act, Statistical Process Control, TPM and TQM. Lean Six Sigma incorporates many proven and powerful tools and concepts, combined throughout a number of organizations. Toyota, Motorola and GE laid the foundation for Lean Six Sigma and the DMAIC cycle as one continuous improvement methodology. In combination with the tools, the methodology offers both a project structure and a mindset to problem solving. A way of problem solving with data and data-based decision making in your organization.